lovelies, welcome to my channel. So today is another celebrity inspired look, and the focus is on Taranji Henson Acrimony. 2018, when I was watching the film, I was like, wow, this look is natural, simple, yet elegant. I need to recreate that, but I haven't really had the time to get around to it. But today I have time on my hand, and I said yes, today is the perfect time to do it. So without chatting too much, let's see how it goes. So I'll start by priming my face. Next I'll use this foundation from Miss Loretta. Next I'll spray my face with a setting spray to make it easy to blend. Concealer, I'll go in with Blossom Pro Conceal. And I'm going to blend it with a beauty blender. Up with sachet setting powder. Moving on to brow, I'm going to use this pencil from Davis Cosmetics. To wipe away the powder. set the foundation, I'm going to use this powder from Milani Mineral. Next, I'm going to use this mascara from Kylie. Guys, I can't find my pinky nude, so I'm going to use this lipstick from Morphe and this lip pencil from my light to create the lip look I want. Setting spray one last time. This is the final result. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. So guys, I want to take the time to say thank you guys so much for your constant love and support on my channel. I'm so grateful. I really appreciate it all. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video if you like this look. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I also have other videos on lifestyle, fashion and other stuff on this channel. So I'll be linking them down in the description box below. So don't forget to click the links down and watch some. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.